Korean Center, Bazaar and Shopping Center is located in Elahieh neighborhood of Tehran and Maryam Gharbi Street. This complex is one of the 13 markets and shopping centers in Elahieh neighborhood of Tehran and is geographically close to Elahieh Modern Shopping Center. I hope you one day go to Korean Shopping Center. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then like and leave the comment, and make sure to hit subscribe button and turn on your notification. And finally, I hope to see you in the next video. Mazel tov.